In this video, we are going to talk about circle. Circles, some important term related to circle. The important terms in which all kinds of basics are available about the circle. The first thing we are going to discuss in this video is definition of circle. So what is definition of circle? What does it mean by circle? So circle, we can say everything that is in a round shape. Okay, that may be a watch. We all of knows are the wall watch. That is one of the example of circle. Donuts. Donuts are also the example of circle. The watch dial. Many things that comes in a round shape in our day-to-day life, that is nothing but the circle. What is the proper definition of circle? So circle is a collection of all the point in a plane. So circle is basically a collection of all the points from the fixed distance. Okay, collection of all the points from the fixed distance is called as circle. Okay, so and the fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Fixed point is known as the center of the circle. So this is about the circle. Okay, and now let's see what is radius. What is a radius of the circle? So if you talk about radius is that is the distance between this fixed point and the plane. Okay, the distance between this fixed point to the plane is called as radius, and radius is denoted by small r. Okay, so from this fixed point to any point on the circle, let's say this is also a radius, this is also a radius, up to any point on the plane is called as circle from the center. Okay, is called as radius from the center. Now let's talk about diameter. What is a diameter of the circle? If we talk about a diameter is denoted in D. Okay, sometimes capital D, sometimes small d. So diameter is a D, and if we talk about a diameter is the double to radius. From one point to other point, and that is passes through the center of the circle is called as diameter. Let's say if this is the radius of circle r and this is also r, then diameter is equals to r plus r, that is equals to 2r. Okay, so diameter is double than radius. Okay, so 2r is equals to diameter. Diameter is always passes through center. Let's talk about the fourth important term related to circle, and that is nothing but a chord. What is chord of a circle? So if we talk about chord is not a diameter, not a radius. A radius is the distance from fixed point to any point. This is the radius, and from any point to the another point of circle is called as diameter. What is chord? If we connect these 2 points, okay, take any 2 points on the circle and connect them. This is the chord. Okay, x is the chord of the circle, but chord is never pass through center of the circle. Chord is never pass. Never pass through center of the circle. This is what called chord. Okay, the largest chord of circle is diameter. Largest chord of circle is diameter. So diameter is also a kind of chord, but that is passes through a center. And if we talk about only chord is never passes through a center of the circle. This is what called chord of the circle.